Hello. Today you'll be learning how to archive and restore groups on the DragonForce web application, as well as exporting archived objects for after-action reports. The ability to archive groups is one of DragonForce's most powerful features, as it preserves your data for after-action reports and prevents users from making changes to the data objects. You can archive a group on both the web and mobile platforms, but you can only restore groups on the DragonForce web client. Let's get started. To archive a group, open the Group Incident Manager widget and right-click on the preferred group or incident, then hit Archive. You can do the same on the mobile application by tapping on the Group Option menu from the Group Manager tab, then select Manage Group and hit Archive Group. To export an archived object, open the Main Options menu and open Archived Groups. Select a group or incident from the list or type in the group name in the search bar. You can also filter your search by date by selecting a time frame. Once you've selected your group or incident, you have the option to export the membership or message history of the group. To export a DragonForce object, simply right-click on the object within the group workspace to export it as a base image or with annotations. To restore the archived group, right-click on the preferred group and hit Restore. The restoration capability is limited to managers or commanders of the group or incident. You've now completed the DragonForce training session. For more information or to check out more DragonForce content, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.